Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a keyboard shortcut for any of your Google Chrome extensions. It's just so that you can have a lot more faster access to using the Google Chrome extension instead of having to go up here or even go into the extension section, clicking on the extension itself and then being able to use it from there. I'll show you how to basically set it as a keyboard shortcut, and then you can have quick access. So what you do is go over to the extension section in the top right, and then from there, manage extensions. From there, go over to the top left, the keyboard shortcuts right here, and then all of your currently installed Google Chrome extensions will show up right here. And for this example, I'm going to use the Color Pick Eyedropper Google Chrome extension because it's very, very good at finding the exact color hex code on your device, so you can start using it in different projects and things. Anyway, what you want to do is basically it says activate the extension, and then when you press this button right here, the sort of pencil looking icon, the edit icon, it will give you the option to type a shortcut. So basically guys, it says you have to actually include a Control, Alt or a command button and then a letter to give the Google Chrome extension its own separate sort of keyboard shortcut. So what I'll do for this one is Control and then press C because it's the Color Pick Eyedropper. That makes it very, very simple. Control C, Control plus C will activate the Color Pick Eyedropper. So let's test this out from in here. I'm going to open up the Google Calendar, and then I want to basically scan this color right here. So I can press Control C, and there we go. Color Pick Eyedropper Google Chrome extension has been selected, and now we can go here, press this color. I wanted to find out the exact RGB of this color or the hex code, and then from there you can copy this by pressing Command C and start using that Color Pick Eyedropper hex code right there. But yes, you can basically use this to set keyboard shortcuts for any other Google Chrome extension that you want. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.